Building a PC for the first time can be exciting, chaotic, and it can be stressful, but let me tell you the story on how I did it. My old setup was barely holding on. I needed something that could handle gaming, content creation, and not crash mid-session. So I decided it was time for an upgrade. I went down the rabbit hole of Reddit threads, YouTube tutorials, learned the difference between GPU and CPU, and it made me realize I want to learn how to build a PC from scratch. So that's what I did. But I didn't want to wait to buy everything online. So my partner and I decided to rent a car, drive down to LA, and hit up Microcenter, which is like the Toys R Us of PC parts. We made it an adventure. We went down to this like famous banh mi spot in the Bay Area. Y'all, it was so good, and the Vietnamese coffee was so good. And then after all that LA traffic, we got to Microcenter, the spot. This is when it got real. There we met up with one of our friends named Aztec, who had just finished building his PC like the week before, and was there to kind of be like our second set of eyes, making sure I got the right stuff. In this place, you'll feel like a kid in the candy store. It's easy to get overwhelmed, so have a general idea of the specs and the vibe you want for your PC. Twins, where have you been? Oh, who copied who?
I've been wearing this since 5 p.m. I was up before you and I already thought of it. I'm not really sure. I had this picked out since last night. Did you go to sleep last night? Okay, yeah. Gosh, shit.
We're at Microcenter right now. I just talked to a consultant, a doctor. The doctor told me I have 2 different builds. He literally made 2 different builds for me. One that's 1200, one that's like around 14. And bitch, the one that's 14 is so much better. Great graphics card. And I might budge. I fear
the budge might be budgeting.
I fear I may budge and get the bigger build, even though it is a little bit more than my budget, but it's so worth it because it's a 4070? No? 70, I don't...
It's a different, like...
It's a different specs. Whatever. Anyway, it's all right here. And, yeah.
This is her diagnosis.
This is my diagnosis. I'm sick. I'm ill. But I need some medicine. Anyway, we're gonna get something today. And after some deliberation, this is when I decided I'm gonna get the AMD RX 7900, which is 3 times better than what I had in my old setup.
Ooh, that was too long. What's she? Yeah.
Well, chat, I did it. I am building my first PC ever. I'm really excited and nervous, and I'm so thankful for all the help of my friends. I think the price was really great for the specs I got, and it'll be a PC that'll last me a long time, which is exactly what I want compared to what I used to have. So stay tuned to watch more on me building this PC. I'm taking you along to build my first ever PC. Crazy. I also got Monster Hunter for free because of my purchase. So shout out to Microcenter for giving me 2 copies of Monster Hunter. This is my case. She has like wooden beams here and then a glass panel on the side. Super beautiful. Let's open the motherboard. Reading chat. Right here. Oh, I'm scared.
Don't be scared of it. It's okay.
Oh, she's heavy.
There you go. And the way you could double check it is to like move it around, so to make sure it's seated in place.
Bitch.
Yeah. That's supposed to happen. Mean? It's supposed to happen.
It says remove.
Yeah, it's okay. It's alright. You can close it.
Fuck.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
That's it. And now you're able to move the black part.
Oh.
There you go. That's how it seats it.
Okay. Wow. How fucking cool. It says to peel this sticker before put it on there. It's an ugly dot, but... Fancy. Beautiful. Power supply time. And all the wires are gonna and get connected. We did it. All of the cables. Now we need to put them on her, on Miss Mother over here.
Connect the 2 tips that's safe. There you go, take it out.
I see the fans moving.
All right, just give it a second.
Oh my God.
Okay, RGB lights work.
Oh my God. Wait.
Fans are moving. Are the
Okay.
fans moving on the graphics card?
Yeah.
Nice, okay. And we have a display and it works.
Display. Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay, so now, as we know it works like that, we're good.
It works.
So what you could do, press it again on that one, or we could just flip it right here and it'll make it a lot easier.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
Just turn it off?
Yeah, turn it off.
Damn. All kind of stuff out here. But it's case time. Also, I think I have throat sickness. My throat hurts. With the PC build, I got really sick yesterday. So we left off with putting everything on the motherboard. Everything works. You can kind of hear my sickness in my voice. I threw up. Not feeling the best, but we're gonna try to get this build done before the weekend because I have a Valorant tournament coming up. So we're gonna try. Kev is here. We also have a lot of YouTube videos we can watch to help us, but yeah, this is what we got. And we're gonna try our best. We're also gonna stream it, and yeah, can't wait to be done. Putting her in the case. Disconnecting some of the wires. This is our flashlight. It's a little frog, little guy. Where's his head? Our flashlight for our build.
I'll be back one day and I'll jag Louis this time. No, for real. Where the hell is that man? Probably working like.
Okay, flipping the switch. I saw a light.
There's a little light up here.
It's turning on! Okay.
Your fans are moving.
This is turning on too.
Look, your front fans are moving.
It's turning on. Let's go! Let's go!
Damn, that feels good.
Wow!
Oh my god, everyone's here.
Yay! Let's go! Built a PC.
She did it, chat. She did it.
Blood, sweat, and tears, but we did it, y'all. Shout out! I'd like to thank Aztec.
Shout out Aztec.
I'd like to thank Poopa.
Aztec really.
I'd like to thank that random guy in the Microcenter who helped me.
I think his name was Christian.
Chris. Shout out to Chris from Microcenter.
Randy.
Shout out to Randy for giving us the thumbs up on her build.
Approval.
And shout out
to
chat.
yeah.
Thank y'all for being here and supporting. And this was the most satisfying feeling ever. After so many screws and putting your hand in tiny little corners and places in there, it was worth it. And if you're thinking about building a PC, girl, do it. This was such a new experience. Lots of patience, lots of learning. It's so worth it. Although I got sick in the midst of it, I'm really happy with my new PC. And I'll be sharing more videos about just like my PC and my setup, and maybe I'll do a setup tour soon. I feel like that'd be really cute. So I hope you all liked this video and enjoyed watching my journey, freaking building my first PC for the first time. It's been a dream of mine, so I'm very happy. Bye. Goodbye.